Yo, what's up, guys? Skull GJB, Skull JB. What's up? How's it going? Uh, welcome. Let's start the video. Oh boy. Okay. First thing I want to talk about. Well, pretty much the entire video is going to be about Twitch and how to make the site better. There you go. I'm not editing that. How to make the site better. Twitch literally has such lack of like every single feature I'm about to say is literally me ripping off from other other social platforms. But still, this is literally what they need to do. Okay? First thing, let's see. Make it like YouTube. Be YouTube's competition. I literally want to see that. If you guys have the power, you guys have the money. It's freaking Amazon we're talking about, okay? Literally, the upload feature is not useless. Useless. The upload feature to Twitch is absolutely useless. Make it better. What you got to do is literally send notifications to people that I recorded a video. Exactly like you send notifications when I go live. Same thing, same premise. Have a follow button. Like, have the follow button be, oh, someone posted a new video. Easy. Put tags. Exactly like how YouTube has tags. It's not as used much, the tags on YouTube, but make it like Twitter, where more or less Instagram, I would say. Lifestyle, FPS shooter, whatever. Do that for upload features, right? Or like videos like this. Easy. Just, I don't know, advice videos, whatever. Anything like that would be great. Twitch clips. Here is where I get interesting on you. This is the second tip. Twitch clips should literally be like Instagram and TikTok, where there's a swipe up, kind of like a play feature. I would say, like, make it so there's a section on Twitch totally dedicated to just Twitch clips. There is kind of that, but I'm saying having it mobile friendly is probably your number one thing, is to make it mobile friendly. Obviously, bring down PC. Obviously, everybody's a streamer, has like the PC, but I'm saying have a swipe up, like swiping up stories. Exactly, like everybody's stealing it. Okay, from Snapchat, everybody's stealing it, but you steal it too, Twitch, for all these Twitch clips, and have them hashtagable. That's a freaking word, isn't it? And just make it like, oh, you guys would have so much more to value your it'd be like YouTube, man. Like, it'd be better than YouTube, because there's way more better Twitch clips, and you can upload that to section. Like, we need a place where gameplay clips are just everywhere. Like, just do it. That's like probably the most highlighted feature I want. Discoverability is the third one I'm talking about. Make streamers have like a sort of like, when you sign up to a website and it's like okay, you have to like Netflix did, kind of. It's like, okay, name series you want to go see, and it'll base it off action, comedy, this, that. Just make it where you can put settings on your Twitch where it's like, what do you want to watch? FPS, I don't know, Minecraft. Like, pick these certain games that you have to follow, but also that game correlates with another game. If I pick Apex, I'm gonna get Rainbow Six Siege and Counter Strike. First person shooters, Call of Duty. All those have matching. It's all FPS. I should be getting FPS in my live streaming, like, recommended section. There you go. And it has to be at least like a certain amount of viewers viewing that, like, I don't know, like 15 people watching right now. That's where I'm going to recommend you more. When there's more viewers, it'll recommend you more to like the bigger streamers, whatever. I know that's bad, but Twitch has to showcase their bigger streamers because they've been doing it for longer. But that's how I think it should work. But it should definitely recommend you like smaller streamers too. but that's definitely how I'd do it. Easily. Like easily just set your what you want to see. Minecraft, okay. Roller Coaster Tycoon, all these like builder simulators, boom. All these streamers doing that. Sims even is a builder like simulator. Like anything that's build related, boom. It's all in the same category. Fourth thing. You guys need to bring in streamer what is it? Co-streaming. Like co-streaming should definitely be a feature for everybody. Like having even like a section on Twitch where you can co-stream. Like literally turn on Twitch and it's like a chat room, kind of like Google Hangout or any of these podcast sections, because Twitch is perfect for podcasts. Yet everybody goes to YouTube. Why? Podcasts are literally hours long. This is what streamers are doing. They're literally playing games for 2-3 hours. Why is podcast a thing? Like, I know people live stream podcasts, but oh man, Twitch needs to put that podcast section in like within the app. Like you could just sign in 2 streamers, boom, spot live streaming. And also, I should be able to put anybody's webcam in my spot too. Like that's another feature that I know down the line it's gonna get better. Having 2 streamers on screen with 2 webcams, because people have to edit videos to actually take the webcam and put it on another headache. Make that a feature for sure. Co-streaming is definitely something small streamers need compared to big streamers. Clearly, co-streaming should definitely be the number 4 thing on the list for just growing in general. Like co-streaming is such a good idea. Why aren't they letting us do it? Only partners are doing it. Why not affiliates at least? Come on, Twitch, come on. Let's see. Ad revenue sense needs to be better. Like if I post clips, I should be getting ad revenue off of that. I know that sounds greedy. The way I'm saying, oh my god. But I'm saying like it's YouTube does AdSense on their videos. Why not clips? I know I'm getting back into that other territory. I don't really want to talk about money in general. There's a lot of ways to make money on Twitch, but clips should definitely be AdSense friendly for sure. You know, unless you're a sub. Imagine you're a subscriber, boom, you can watch all the clips, no ads whatsoever. It would be more incentive to subscribe to your favorite streamer. You see all his clips. 5, let's see. 5 is let's see, the banning thing. Oh god, don't even get me started with the Twitch guidelines and how, you know, Twitch partners can get away with almost anything. You know what I'm talking about? Yo, oh my god, I don't know how many times how people get banned for no reason and they don't even know why. Why don't you just edit a clip, a certain part of the clip where it's like, this is why you got banned. This clip right here. And send it as an email folder, so then it's only Twitch and the streamer know about it. Simple. Tell you exactly when in the live stream that you got banned. Perfect. So much transparency right there. This is why you got banned. Here's the video. Why is that so hard? And you can like watch it once, I guess, like Snapchat. How is that? Like imagine. They don't, all these streamers can't use it for clout and be like, oh, this is why I got banned, and then start posting it online. You just watch it once and boom. I guess people will still record it, but still. Yeah, the banning system needs to change for sure. Definitely for sure. Let's see. I think Twitch should have their own merch section. Yeah, Streamlabs, Stream Elements having their own merch section. What are you doing, Twitch? What are you doing? Why don't you put a merch list where you guys could even get revenue from the guy's merch? like from a streamer's merch. I don't know why Twitch ain't doing that. Well, I guess they can advertise through Amazon. They could totally do that. That'd be a way better idea. Having a streamer's merch on Amazon, but also in their Twitch links. Simple. You'd make more money, and it'd be more searchable on Amazon. There you go. Like Stream Elements and Streamlabs wouldn't be a thing anymore for merch. Oh, I might come out with merch soon. I'm thinking about what I am doing and how I would do it. I got ideas. Let's see. What is the better thing to do about Discord? Discord is probably the best thing about keeping your community, right? In this certain section with Discord, and you guys all send memes and everything like that, and have even a promote yourself section. That's amazing and all. I love Discord for that. Why isn't Twitch doing that? Why doesn't Twitch have a little sidebar where chat is, right? They have chat. Why isn't that thing active all the time? Well, I know that they removed the feature where it's like active all the time, but it didn't do anything, right? Why don't they have a news feed on the sidebar of your channel where people are posting stuff, and you can have moderators moderating the posts, and it could be talking, and they can clip your stuff and then like post a feed about them clipping and everything. Like, it'd be in chat. You know how cool that would be? Why isn't there a feature where it's like Discord, but it's on Twitch itself? Like having people just talk about your live stream and how good it was, and it's still going, and you turned off your live stream and there's still people in chat going. Why? They should definitely have that, right? Am I right? Damn, that'd be good. That would grow your streams even more. I don't think bits and stuff should be active while you're live. Obviously not. That's dumb. But damn, that'd be great. And you can share you should be able to share like Twitter, like anything you wrote on Twitter or stuff like that. That'd be the best feature ever. Obviously add that. Have a news feed for all your fans. It'd be Reddit almost too. It'd be kind of like Reddit, but on your sidebar. Good ideas, right? I went over the clips, right? I don't know if I did. But like having a TikTok feature, I'm not stealing it, for clips where you swipe up and you just swipe up to everything, that'd be amazing. And you obviously use the tags to make it hashtagable. Definitely, that's a number one thing. Clips. You just have a section on Twitch, kind of like TikTok. You just swipe and you get clips on your damn phone. Easy as that. I know it'd be hard to do because all these apps are doing it, but I think Twitch would be within the website. It would drive more people to the website, and you get notifications when everybody posts a new one. A new clip. That'd be amazing. Anyways, I think I'll end the video. I'm gonna look through it, see what's good about it, and thanks for watching. Me and Scully are out, and have a great night or day. Bye bye.